What are the best virtual assistant services that you can be offering in 2019? I'm coming at you with the hottest virtual assistant services you can offer this year. If you've ever thought about working from home or working as a virtual assistant, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly releasing new content, so if you want to be notified when I do, hit the bell. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 10 requested services I'm seeing in 2019 for virtual assistants. These are the best virtual assistant services 2019 edition. Are the services you are planning on offering on this list? Let's find out. Let me preface by saying this. This is my personal opinion on the best virtual assistant services to offer this year. Now, this is based off of the demand that I'm seeing, people requesting these services, but also how many people are offering these services. So keep that in mind as you watch this video. Got it? Let's get to it. Number 10, blogging and copywriting services. While social media platforms have their ups and downs, blogging is and has been for a really long time one of the best ways to increase traffic to a website. So if you're good at writing and you can learn some blogging, copywriting techniques, this may be a perfect virtual assistant service for you to offer in 2019. Number 9, online business management or project management. While not everybody is ready for an online business manager or a project manager, when someone is at that point in their business, they are looking for someone who is highly organized, and this may be the perfect service for you to offer. There are far less online business managers than there are virtual assistants. So this could be an awesome opportunity to make yourself really known in this smaller niche. Number 8, web and graphic design. Yes, there are a lot of web designers and there are a lot of graphic designers out there, but that's because the need for them is so great. Every business needs a website. Every single one eventually will need an online presence. So becoming a web designer is a great way to know that you're going to have a steady stream of clients. In the same way, not everybody is talented graphically. So if that's something that you can do or you think you would be interested in learning, web design, graphic design, both awesome choices for 2019. Number 7, podcast management services. Podcast management is one of my favorite services for VAs to offer because so many people are starting podcasts. In the same vein, not very many people are offering podcast management services. So it's a really hot topic right now, and it's a really great way for you to stand out. One of the awesome things about podcast management as well is that it's really easily systematized, meaning that once you have the way that you manage podcasts, you produce them, you edit them, maybe do the graphics for them. Once you have a system in place, it's really easy to systematize that and to subcontract it so that you can continue to grow your business. I suggest you think about offering podcast management as a service. If you want an example of this type of service, check out my friend Jordan Gill's podcast management business, Pimp Your Podcast, for an awesome example of podcast management packages at pimpyourpodcast.com. Hey, I want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree with the trends that I'm seeing for this year? Make sure that you comment below what you think the top trending service will be in 2019 for virtual assistants. Number 6, YouTube editing and management. I'm just gonna throw this out there. I think more and more people are getting frustrated with paid advertising, especially Instagram and Facebook ads. You may disagree with me, that's okay, but I find a trend that more and more online influencers especially are looking for organic ways to build traffic. And one of the best ways to build organic traffic is via YouTube. I'm seeing more and more people get out from behind their desk, get in front of the camera, and start YouTube channels, just like I've been doing. So as this continues to increase, obviously the demand for people to help with those YouTube channels increases as well. There's a lot that goes into managing a YouTube channel. If you're releasing videos every week, that means you're not only having to write scripts, but film, edit, do graphics, thumbnails, SEO keyword research. There's a lot that goes into managing a YouTube channel. So if you can come and support some of those YouTube creators, it's a really, really high demand and unique service you can offer in 2019. Number 5, Instagram management. Instagram management is a service that is so hot right now for so many different reasons. Instagram is one of those platforms that takes time to curate a well thought out, beautiful feed, and small businesses need help to make that happen. Instagram management is an awesome service to offer because with a few simple strategies, you can increase visibility, grow your followers, and provide really awesome stats of that growth to your new clients. All right, time for the number 4 top service for 2019, Facebook management. And yes, I'm lumping this all together, community, page, and ad management. Now, some people may not like that I'm grouping all of Facebook management in one category, but it's my list, so I can do whatever I want. Ding. Let's talk straight here. People are getting frustrated with Facebook right now. Pages are getting less engagement unless if you are willing to boost your posts. Facebook ads are getting denied, and overall, it's starting to feel like you have to pay to play in Facebook. However, those with budgets still can pay to play, and there are a lot of people out there doing it really well. So for that reason, any type of service related to Facebook is still really, really hot right now, especially if you can find a way to increase those ads or really have true engagement. In addition, almost every single business is on Facebook in some capacity, so the amount of clients that can use this service are unlimited. Number 3, general admin skills and customer service. I see so many starting virtual assistants frustrated because they don't have a high-end service to offer. Guess what? Most small business owners are actually just looking to outsource some of the simple tasks in their business so they have more time to do other things. This is really good news for anybody starting out as a virtual assistant who doesn't quite know what they're going to be offering yet. You can do simple tasks like data entry, customer service emails, etc. in order to get those first clients. If you haven't already, make sure that you go check out last week's video when I talked about remote virtual assistant jobs you can start now. I basically outlined some of the most popular general admin tasks that you can do immediately, even if you don't have a high-level skill. So make sure you check out that video because like I said, general admin skills are still very, very much needed, and it's why it makes number 3 on my list for this video. Number 2, Pinterest management and promoted pins. Pinterest management. There is a reason you are seeing so many Pinterest managers pop up lately. Pinterest is one of the cheapest and easiest ways to get organic traffic to a website. More and more small business owners are jumping on the Pinterest bandwagon, and I expect a high increase in Facebook ad users jumping ship and starting to use promoted pins in 2019 to drive paid traffic. Now, don't forget, we do have an incredible Pinterest management training in our Savvy Tech Lab. If you've ever thought about becoming a Pinterest manager, head over to thevirtualsavvy.com/savvytech to check it out. Are you ready? Because now I'm going to reveal the number 1 service that I see being in high demand and low competition for 2019. Drum roll, please. I don't have my... Can I pound my boobs? Are you ready? Here is the number 1 service that I see being in high demand with low competition in 2019. Drum roll, please. Podcast and PR outreach. Yep, outreach. More and more small business owners are done with paid ads. They're burnt out and they're looking for increased ways to drive organic traffic to their websites and their services. That means that more and more business owners are not only going to be starting podcasts, but they'll be looking to be guests on podcasts. And I throw in PR outreach with podcast outreach simply because there are so few people offering this service right now. So if you can learn podcast management or how to do PR for small business owners, this is a really great way to become the go-to expert in this field. It's wide open. Go and get it. So now you know my opinion on the best virtual assistant services to offer in 2019. But you may be wondering, Abby, where in the world do I learn these services? One word, SAVVYTech. SAVVYTech is our on-demand tech training lab with over 40 tech courses for virtual assistants. Learn high-end skills, ask questions in our community, and get access to a new tech course every month. Head over to thevirtualsavvy.com/SAVVYTech to check out all of the courses that we currently have in the SAVVYTech lab. What do you think? Did I miss a service? Do you agree or disagree with the trends I see for 2019? Make sure you comment below and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video.